Hi everyone, Trish here. Today I'm going to be playing with some pink and purple, a little bit of silver. Haven't decided on the black, white pearl. Let me show you the colors. I'm trying to get a feel for my new granddaughter's room. I'm going to do a few pieces, let them choose and sell the others. So this is the first time I'm filming here in my art studio. I had my grand opening yesterday. I feel so blessed. I'm going to show you the colors and then I'm going to hop over. I don't have my camera here yet. I'm doing this on my phone, so we'll see how this goes. And let's show you the colors first and then we'll go over to the canvas. I'm hoping that I can do this on this phone. I'm hoping I can. Okay, so here we go. This is just Artist Loft Black. Not sure if I'm using it. Grombacher's Pale Pink. I have a lot of that. Amsterdam's Persian Rose. Rose Quina from Amsterdam. I probably said that incorrectly. Permanent Violet from Amsterdam. This, I'm using just a touch of this Extreme Glitter Purple Prism. And it was very thin, so I squirted in just a little bit of the Grape Taffy from Craftsmart. We'll see how that goes. As soon as I mixed it, I thought, do I really want to do that? So we'll see. Artez's Pearl Rose Quartz. Extreme Sheen by Deco Art and Pink Tremaine. Amethyst Extreme Sheen. Craftsmart Metallic Silver. I am having such a hard time finding a silver that I like. Metallic White by Artist Loft. And I have Master's Touch Gray Purple. I thought it would be such a nice compliment. Okay, I think I'm going to do multiple. I think I'm going to do 6. Okay, let's do this. Okay, I am going to you can't see it, but I'll be just a minute. Cells that are popping up. Oh, I love it. I don't know if y'all can see the whole thing. I wanted to do some, to add some silver. I've done that before. Let me move you back a little bit. I love these cells that are popping up. I have some here, but it's staying within the lines, which I always think is so cool. Get this little bottle open. this dries, I will know which colors I want to use when I create a couple samples for my granddaughter. And yeah, we'll take it from there. This is cool. This is really cool. Okay, I thought I would do a close-up. Sorry about the light glare. Let me turn the lights off. Okay. Thank you all so much for hanging out with me. I hope that you have an amazing day, and I'll catch you in the next video. Maybe we'll paint.